Hey everyone, it's Rahim, a fourth year graduation student with business major. I have been a tech lover from a long time now. This channel is a small contribution to bring some positive change in your lives by making you aware of some beautiful and productive uses of technology around you with all the knowledge I have gained researching and using tech products in the past few years. Talking about the Goodnotes 5, it is a popular note-taking app specifically designed for iPad users. It offers a wide range of features and tools to help you create and organize handwritten notes, PDFs, and other digital documents on your iPad. Goodnotes 5 can be used as a useful tool for students, particularly for those who prefer to take handwritten notes on their iPad or need to annotate and organize digital documents. I have been a Goodnotes user from the last 4 years and it had been improving tremendously with every update it is getting. In this video, we will be explaining you some useful and salient features of Goodnotes for the students and other users. Furthermore, we will also suggest you some of the popular note-taking apps which are actually useful except Goodnotes 5. But guys, before starting, it would be highly appreciated if you subscribe to the channel for supporting us as we are just starting, and your subscription will help us all grow as a family together, where we will be trying our level best to sort out your tech related queries. So let's get started. Let's start by mentioning some useful and unique features of Goodnotes 5 for iPad, which I have found really handy throughout my journey with the app as an undergrad business students. Now I will be just giving you an overview so that the video could not be that long for you to watch. Starting with the handwriting recognition. Goodnotes 5 has advanced handwriting recognition capabilities that allow you to convert your handwritten notes into searchable documents and editable text. Coming towards the annotation tool, you can annotate PDFs, images, and other documents with a variety of tools including highlighters, text boxes, and shapes. There are also the feature of customizable templates in Goodnotes 5. So it comes with a variety of templates including lined paper, graph paper, and music sheets that you can use to create your notes. The next feature to be talked about is iCloud Sync. Your notes and documents are automatically synced across all your Apple devices using iCloud, so you can access your notes from anywhere and anytime you want. Now, multitasking capabilities in the Goodnotes 5 is also amazing. It is optimized for multitasking, so you can use it side by side with other apps on your iPad. Goodnotes 5 also allows students to take handwritten notes on their iPad with a stylus or even their finger. The iPad's handwriting recognition technology also allows students to search their handwritten notes and convert them into text whenever they want. Annotating PDFs is also one of the other things which students can do with the Goodnotes 5, as it helps them to highlight PDF of textbooks, articles, and other course material. So this could be just a feature which could help them better understand the material and retain information. They can also organize notes, as Goodnotes 5 make it easy to organize notes and documents with its customizable folders and tagging system. Students can easily find and review their notes and study material later when they want. Coming towards the collaboration, students can share their notes and collaborate on projects with their classmates using the Goodnotes 5. The app allows for easy sharing and syncing of notes between all the Apple devices. Finally, talking about backup and accessibility, Goodnotes 5 allows students to back up their notes to the iCloud and even other cloud services such as Google Drive, ensuring that they don't lose their work. It also allows students to access their notes from any device with the app installed on it. So with all these features, Goodnotes 5 is not a free iPad app. It is a paid app that you can purchase from App Store for almost $7.99 USD, or it could depend on from where you are buying it. While there are some note-taking apps available for free on the App Store, Goodnotes offer a wide range of advanced features and tools that may make it worth it for the students, professionals, and anyone who need to take and organize handwritten notes and annotate digital documents. Still, there are some other free options that are worth mentioning for you guys. Starting with Notability. Notability is a popular note-taking app for iPad that offers similar features to Goodnotes 5, including handwriting recognition, PDF annotation, and customizable templates. It also includes audio recording and playback features for lectures and meetings, but still it is not totally free. Talking about Microsoft OneNote. OneNote is a totally free note-taking app from Microsoft that is available on iPad and other devices. It allows you to create notebooks, take handwritten notes, and collaborate with others. It also integrates with other Microsoft apps like Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. Now coming towards the native or Apple's own Apple Notes. Apple Notes is a built-in note-taking app that comes with every iPad. While it doesn't offer all of the features of Goodnotes 5 or other third-party apps, it is a simple and intuitive way to take notes and organize them using folders and tags. Finally, talking about Evernote. Evernote is also a popular note-taking app and productivity app that is available on iPad and other devices. It allows you to take notes, save web pages, and collaborate with others. It also offers advanced features and organizational features, but still it is not totally free as Microsoft OneNote and Apple Notes are. So these are just a few of many note-taking apps available for the iPad. You may want to try out a few different options to find the one that best meets your needs. But if you want to go with my choice, it would be Goodnotes 5 for now. Although it is a paid app, but worth the investment. That's all from this video. Guys, we are a relatively new channel trying to share our knowledge with you people and gaining some from you. If you like the video or find it informative, give it a quick thumbs up, and subscribing to the channel would be highly appreciated and help us grow. With that, keep on rocking and enjoying life as much as you can, making sure that you use it for some greater cause. Have a good one.